All right, for anybody who's wondering what I meant by the numbering of the bolts, it's because different parts of the engine can only have certain size of bolts that can go into them. So up at the top here, we got some smaller bolts, but at the bottom, we have some longer ones. There's probably 3 or 4 different sizes of bolts in here, and you want to make sure they're the right size so when you go to put it back in, you don't end up cracking the block. All right, after you make sure all your bolts are in the right spot, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you want to go around, screw them in hand tight. So take it off the ratchet, go in by hand, and then if my ratchet will fucking work. You want to go in a star pattern. So start from 1, go across here, 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 here to here. Or there's probably a better way, but boom, 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 boom. And then the last part is you got to put your wheel on. Make sure it goes on properly. And then you put your fan on and it's all done. So hopefully I can roll this onto here. And then once the fan's on, last step is to put the belt on. Whew, that's a little bright. So all I'm doing, see if I can put this on my collar, is I got my screwdriver in there, I'm putting pressure on with my hand, and then I'm twisting the fan blades. That's what you don't want to happen though, is where it twists the wrong way. So all you do, back it up, and it corrects itself. Good as new. And that's how you put on a water pump.